Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the many health and beauty benefits of cloves. If you're not already familiar with this spice, you're in for a treat. Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, and they have a variety of uses in both health and beauty. First, let's talk about the health benefits of cloves. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to inflammation and diseases such as cancer. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants help to reduce inflammation and boost the immune system. Cloves are also a natural pain reliever. They contain a compound called eugenol, which has been shown to have pain-relieving properties. In traditional medicine, cloves have been used to treat toothaches and other types of pain. They are also a natural remedy for fighting off colds and flu due to their antibacterial and antiviral properties. Additionally, cloves can aid in digestion and help to reduce nausea. Now let's talk about the beauty benefits of cloves. Cloves contain eugenol, which we mentioned earlier has pain-relieving properties. But eugenol has another benefit: it has been shown to have anti-aging properties when applied topically to the skin. When applied to the skin, eugenol can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a more youthful appearance. Cloves are also great for promoting healthy, glowing skin. They can help to reduce acne and other skin blemishes due to their antibacterial properties. They also have natural astringent properties, which means they can help to tighten and tone the skin. Simply mix a few crushed cloves with water to create a natural toner that you can apply to your skin after cleansing. So there you have it, just a few of the many health and beauty benefits of cloves. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your health and beauty routine, give cloves a try. You can add them to your cooking, use them in homemade remedies, or even apply them topically to your skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and beauty tips.